Ballistic Hybrid Head Replacement Trimmer Head is a durable, universal fit 2-in-1 trimmer head with pivoting lines to cut grass and weeds or nylon blades to cut light brush. The head is made from carefully crafted glass-filled nylon for superior durability and abrasion resistance. It can withstand the extreme demand of any residential job. With its pivoting line technology, the line bounces back when trimming against obstacles instead of bending and breaking. So trimming against hard surfaces such as chain link fence, trees, and concrete are no longer a problem. With strips that are already cut to size, you can load and reload the line in seconds. All you have to do is feed the strips through the pivoting posts. The powerful serrated nylon edges on the blades allow you to cut through thick weeds and brush with ease. With its push and load technology, blades can be loaded and reloaded in seconds. That means cutting more with less downtime to get the job done faster, leaving you more time to do the things you want.